Ever found yourself staring at your screen, ready to make a purchase or pay an international invoice, only to remember that your Airwallex card is, well, somewhere between their office and your eager hands? You're not alone. The question of how many days is a common one for anyone diving into the world of seamless global transactions with Airwallex. So, let's get straight to it. You've signed up, you've verified your details, and now you're anticipating that sleek Airwallex card landing on your doorstep. The truth is, the exact time frame can vary, a bit like the currency exchange rates themselves. Several factors play a role in determining how long you'll be waiting. Firstly, where in the world are you? Just like traditional mail, international shipping takes longer than domestic. If you're based in a major metropolitan area, you might see your card arrive a bit quicker than if you're in a more remote location. Think of it like ordering pizza. The closer you are to the pizzeria, the faster that cheesy goodness arrives. Secondly, the type of card you've ordered can influence the delivery timeline. Physical cards, the ones you can hold in your hand and swipe, naturally take longer to produce and ship than virtual cards, which are ready almost instantly within your Airwallex account. If you need to start transacting immediately, the virtual card is your best friend while you wait for its physical counterpart. Thirdly, the processing time within Airwallex itself is a key factor. Once your card request is approved, Airwallex needs to manufacture the physical card, if applicable, and prepare it for shipping. This internal process typically takes a few business days. Think of it as the time it takes for the chefs to prepare your order before the delivery driver picks it up. Finally, and perhaps most variably, is the shipping method. Standard shipping will naturally take longer than expedited options. If you're in a rush, Airwallex might offer faster shipping at an additional cost. It's worth checking your options during the card ordering process if speed is a priority. So, what does this all boil down to in actual days? While Airwallex doesn't provide a single, guaranteed delivery timeframe, users generally report receiving their physical cards within 5 to 15 business days for international deliveries. Domestic deliveries within major regions might be a bit quicker, potentially ranging from 3 to 10 business days. Keep in mind that these are estimates, and unforeseen circumstances like postal delays or customs procedures can occasionally extend these timelines. The good news is that Airwallex usually provides tracking information once your physical card has been shipped. Keep an eye on your email inbox and your Airwallex account for updates on your card's journey. This way, you can at least see where your card is and get a better sense of when it's likely to arrive. In the meantime, don't forget about the power of your virtual Airwallex card. If you need to make online payments or generate virtual cards for your team, this feature is usually available almost immediately after your account is approved. It's a fantastic way to get started with Airwallex's capabilities while you wait for the physical card to arrive. Ultimately, while the exact number of days can fluctuate, understanding the factors involved can help you manage your expectations. Keep an eye on your tracking information, utilize your virtual card in the interim, and rest assured that your Airwallex card is on its way to simplifying your international financial life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.